Stop scrolling if you love ancient mysteries. Meet Anzu, the mighty storm bird from Mesopotamian mythology. Anzu wasn't just any creature, he was a lion-headed eagle with the power to control storms. In a daring act, Anzu stole the Tablet of Destinies from the god Enlil, granting himself dominion over fate itself. With chaos unleashed, the gods were powerless until Ninurta, the heroic warrior, confronted Anzu in an epic battle. After a fierce struggle, Ninurta defeated Anzu and restored order, returning the tablet and peace to the world.